और इस बीच आज की सबसे बड़ी खबर पर हम लगातार बने हुए हैं। अबू दुजाना को मार गिराया गया है, इस बात की पुष्टि हो गई है। उसके साथ एक और आतंकी आरिफ भी एनकाउंटर में मारा गया है। आरिफ भी अबू दुजाना के साथ इस घर में मौजूद था। जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस ने ट्वीट कर इस बात की पुष्टि की है कि अबू दुजाना के साथ उसका साथी आरिफ भी मारा गया है। उस घर की तस्वीर भी हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं जिसमें आतंकी अबू दुजाना मौजूद था। तो बताया जा रहा है कि अपनी पत्नी से मिलने पहुंचा था दुजाना और इसी दौरान इसे मार गिराया गया।
Which is near Niva. By about 4 in the morning, the police as well as the army, we had established a cordon in the concerned houses. There were about 10-12 houses which were the reported area. Subsequently, we closed in. We spoke to the house owner, and we learned that the terrorists were not allowing the members of the house family to come out. After a couple of hours, after talking to them, all the members of the family came out, and that is the time after that we launched our operations. Started off around in the early hours of this morning after 8 or so, and within a couple of hours 2 terrorists have been killed. This includes Abu Dujana, the Lashkar-e-Toiba chief for Kashmir, a category A++ terrorist, and in addition along with him was Arif Nabi Dar, and Arif Dar also is a wanted terrorist. He had been involved in a number of bank robberies, in a number of weapon snatching incidents, and so today both of them have been killed. Abu Dujana is a foreign terrorist, Pakistani, and after that we have wound up the operations and we have pulled back to our bases. Thank you.
Sir, talking of this...
Let the IGP speak.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. And as a Co-Commander 15 Corps has already given the brief of today's operation, I'll add that both the killed militants were notorious and important in a way that they had established their strongholds in certain areas due to coercion and threatening and so many other things. So it had become imperative to neutralize them in the interest of peace and in the interest of safety of general masses. So today, as the co-commander has already said, we received information in the wee hours of the morning about their presence, and one thing which we did today, we tried hard to make them surrender. Announcements were made from mosques, and we tried to utilize the services of the house owner and the persons who came out of the house to impress upon them to surrender. But because of Dujana's presence, the other fellow could also not surrender. And ultimately, you know what, when it is like that, it's like that. They started firing, and the quantum of fire from their side was very heavy today. It was retaliated, and both were neutralized. After the operation was over, properly the bodies were identified, and one was Abu Dujana and the other one was Arif. So it was a clean operation, but for a civilian casualty of Firdaus Khan of Begambagh and around 5 to 6 injured, pellet injuries and 2 bullet injuries. Initially, as it happens, in spite of our warnings and in spite of our requests, the people on the behest of militants, I have been repeating it in every press conference, the people on the behest of these militants, maybe coercion or threatening, they tend to come in between the operating parties and the militants, and that's how they get injured or killed. Today also it happened in the same manner, and we lost a civilian's life. Regrettable, but it could have been avoided if the people stay inside and let the security forces do their job, these things won't happen. I'll take this opportunity and again appeal to the people, because the operations will carry on. Pelting or no pelting, disruptions or no disruptions, the operations will go on. Whenever we get information of militants, armed militants rather, in a house or in any area, the operations are to be launched. And yes, we are trying that they surrender, but if they don't surrender and they start firing on the forces, the only reply is to retaliate. That's what is being done. And Co-Commander has already mentioned about the activities, nefarious activities of Arif.
अबू दुजाना से सरेंडर करने के लिए कहा गया था सेना की तरफ से, लेकिन अबू दुजाना ने सरेंडर नहीं किया। अबू दुजाना उसका साथी मारा गया। इसके अलावा खबर ये कि 2 नागरिकों की भी मौत हुई है इस एनकाउंटर में। इस पर आगे भी आपको जानकारी देंगे। आप आईजी कश्मीर को सुन रहे थे। एक छोटे से ब्रेक के लिए रुक रहे हैं, लौट रहे हैं कुछ ही पलों में।